Enumerators are just identifiers, just like variable names, named constants, and function names. They must be unique within the same scope. So let's say that we have an enum in here, and we have presidents, and then we have all of these guys inside of here. This is fine, it's a global enum. Now if we were to make an enum persons, and then inside of here we had like Brandon, we had Justin, we had Madison, and then we had John Adams again. Well, this would not be okay. And you can see we have an underline, an error here. We have a redefinition of enumerator John Adams. We can't do this. Make sure your actual enum isn't the same either. These must be unique, as well as the enumerators. If you go into an int main, remember these are global enums, so they exist everywhere. Now inside of here we have a constant int Madison is equal to 9, cout Madison, and line is going to give us this 9. And the reason why we're able to do this is because even though this is a global scope, this is in our function scope, and the function scope takes precedence over the global scope. Now we would have an issue if we take this enum and we put it inside of this main. Now you can see that we have a redefinition. Equally, if we were to take both of these out, put them right here, this is a global issue, and we can't stand for that. So just remember that you pay attention and make sure your enumerators must have different and unique names within the same scope. If they are within different scopes, you should make sure they're different names as well, but it's not as big of a deal, or if it is, it won't throw any errors.